Have you ever considered how risks impact your workplace? Managing risks is crucial for safety and productivity. This video will explore risk management and its practical applications. Risk management is the process of identifying, assessing, and controlling risks. It helps ensure a safe work environment. Understanding this process is essential for every employee. First, let's identify hazards. Hazards can be physical, chemical, or ergonomic. Inspect your workspace regularly. Next, assess the risks. Determine how likely it is for each hazard to occur. Evaluate the severity of potential injuries. This helps prioritize which risks to address first. Then, we implement control measures. These are steps taken to eliminate or minimize risks. It could be engineering solutions, administrative controls, or personal protective equipment. Now, let's consider some practical applications. Imagine a construction site. Workers are exposed to heavy machinery. By identifying these risks early, safety measures can be applied effectively. Another example is an office environment. Poor ergonomics can lead to long-term injuries. Regular assessments and interventions can significantly improve employee well-being and productivity. In summary, understanding and managing workplace risks is vital. Regular identification, assessment, and control measures create a safer work environment. Start assessing risks in your workplace. Enhance safety for yourself and your co-workers. Together, we can make a difference. In the next video we will discuss about understanding risk and risk management. Stay connected with us. Thank you.